Rich Tehrani here with TMC. We're at CES 2013. I'm in the EFUN booth, and I'm speaking with
Jason Liszewski.
Jason. Good to see you. I wanted to talk a little bit about what you are showing people here.
No, we're really excited this year at CES. We got a lot of new announcements, a lot of new stuff coming out for 2013. We actually even won some awards on some of the products, so very excited about this year.
So the viewers, what should they know about your products?
So under the EFUN brand name, we make the Nextbook line of Android-based tablets, and then we make the APEN line of digital pens. We've been in the market now for a few years, doing really well at major retailers across the country. We also sell online. The Nextbook line of tablets is some pretty significant market share. We were the first Android tablet maker to have a sub $99 Android tablet last year with Google certification. Very strong for us as a company. And then we should be the first person in our tier this year to have a Jelly Bean product out there.
Oh, congratulations. That's great. And when you talk about the tablet market, another interesting area is the phone tablet hybrid phablet market. Is that something that you guys are looking at all?
You know, on the factory level, EFUN is our parent company is EFUN Digital, so we actually make our own product. We make a bunch of stuff out there. Worldwide, we manufactured a significant tablet base for all countries across the span. We do make 3G products. We do look at the stuff like you were just talking about. So there's more coming that hasn't been announced, but
Okay, very exciting.
Very exciting.
So what else?
So under the Android tablet piece, the Nextbook brand, we've launched a couple new products this year. All of our product across the board is dual core. All of our product is Google certified, which means it comes with the Google Play apps, so you have the great content behind that, as well as we have the Barnes & Noble Nook partnership and the Kobo for our Canadian customers. So it's a very strong product line, a lot faster, a lot thinner. What you'll find on some of the new product is we're actually deeming it ultra thin because it's thinner than the Fire, thinner than the Nexus, and very fast. And the biggest thing about our brand that we've always been very proud of is our price points. We're able to hit logical price points for customers under the tier one guys in the market today. So more value-driven price points.
Excellent. And what else are we going to see today?
The other piece that we're going to show you guys is our APEN line of digital pens. We have a patented pen product that works on the iPad. We also have a new product that we launched here at CES called the Touch 8, which basically turns your Windows 8 PC into a full touchscreen product.
Should we look at that real quickly?
Absolutely. So the Touch 8 by APEN, basically what it does is it's a patented device by APEN. It allows you to turn your 17-inch or smaller monitor at launch into a touchscreen device. So no more using your mouse. The Windows 8 operating system is really designed, it's done really well for like the Surface tablet. It does really well on your laptop, but the challenge is you're so used to using your finger with this type of interface. There's nothing out there today that allows you to basically touch the screen unless you go out and buy a new touchscreen laptop or a new touchscreen monitor. What this will allow you to do actually is if you plug the pen and the adapter in, there's no drivers to load, very easy, just literally plug and play. It allows you to then navigate through your operating system with the patented pen. We have a scratch-free technology, so you don't have to worry about scratching or damaging your screen. You're allowed to open and close devices. Literally anything that you would think you could do on a tablet, you can now do with a pen. Even if you're in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, you're using kids programs, you're using the various different apps that you can download. You're playing some Fruit Ninja. Again, you're touching it. You're not using a mouse. You're not worrying about a keyboard. You're literally just using your pen as your finger. So it's a very exciting device. We're going to launch it this year at a $79.99 retail. You'll see it out in the market probably in the next 90 days. But again, there's nothing else like it. We own the technology. We own the factory. So if we decide to sell it to somebody else, we can definitely do that. But APEN is our house brand name that we've done really well on today.
And it's not possible to use finger with something like that, right? You need the pen because probably the electronic signal.
Exactly. What it's actually doing is sending an ultrasonic signal from the pen to the receiver, then obviously through the PC and allowing you to navigate. If you were to touch the screen today, nothing would happen because the actual transmitter is built into the pen. So the only other option, like I said, is really to use a mouse at this point in time.
Excellent. Anything else?
No, again, we're really excited to launch it. There's definitely been some really strong reviews out there. Start looking out there. There's a great YouTube video. If you do a search for Touch 8, you'll find that video to give you kind of a preview of what capabilities the product has.
Great, and basically any laptop can now become a touch-enabled device.
Exactly. We're gonna have
Or pen, stylus-enabled.
a stylus-enabled device. We'll have two different pieces on the market. We'll have a 17-inch and smaller screen, and then we'll have basically a 17-inch larger screen. So there'll be two different SKUs to do two different things depending on the monitor size you have at home.
Seems to me like we need a thimble where we can just put it on one of our fingers and then we can just kind of touch.
I like that. We'll have to submit that.
Excellent. Well, thanks for your time today.
Definitely. The next one that I'll show you guys is the A5 digital pen. We launched this product this year, and what it allows you to do is turn your iPad into utilizing a fine touch device. Let me show you. One of the challenges today when you're using an iPad is you can use the real big bulky stylus that you can go out to the store and buy for $10, $20. You can use your finger, which is how most people want to use the iPad. But the challenge is when you're using different apps, if you're an artist or a student and you want to take different really precise to the pixel type notes or drawings, you can't do that. So what we've designed is, again, within our patented technology, the ultrasonic technology, we've built the ability for your pen to now write on your iPad. So if you're a student sitting in class, no more taking notes for an hour with your finger. You're literally using what we deem as like a smart stylus. In the market today, like I said, the only option that you have is to go buy, one of the basic stylus. There's nothing really that's more advanced.
So this is kind of like a Wacom digitizer meets the iPad.
Exactly, and we actually even make some of the Wacom type product out there. So it's the same type of technology, again, via our patented pen and our receiver that you plug then into the 30-pin adapter into your iPad. It's a very slim, sleek device. What we've done is we have a roadmap of various apps that you have the ability to build your product into. So it doesn't work with the iOS platform in general. There's specific apps that it works with. Again, if you're a high-end artist, if you're just trying to take notes in a class, there's basically an iOS app that does just about anything that you could possibly think of. And we're partnered with the key players out there. We're constantly adding new partners into our roadmap almost monthly, so you can look on our website to see what new apps are compatible with it. But like I said, if you're a graphical artist to just the basic high school student wanting to take notes, it now kind of solves that solution for you.
Excellent. Thanks.
Thank you very much.